In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can claim the 70% discount offer of HostGator right now. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to visit HostGator from the link given in the description below this video. And here you can see the 70% discount offer. Simply click on the Get Started button. Now scroll down here, and here you can see all the plans is now 70% off. And the price of their hatchling plan is only $2.08 per month. $2.98 per month for their baby plan and $4.48 for their business plan. And what I recommend to you is to choose their hatchling plan if you want to create only one website. It also includes the free domain name. And the price is only $2.08 per month. Or if you want to create unlimited websites, then you can for their baby plan. They have all the features and the price is only $2.98 per month. So choose your plan, and then click on this Buy Now button. Now, here simply create the domain name you want. Create your domain name here. And here you can see the domain is free for the first year. Now scroll down, and here the domain privacy is already selected whose price is $14.98 per year. It's important and selected by default. Now, here choose the plan. I already selected a hatchling. And on the billing cycle, make sure to ignore the 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. Because the discount is not for these plans. So you can see the 12, 24, and 36 months are already 70% off. And what I recommend to you is to select the longer 36 months plan to get more discount for the long time plan. Always select the longer plan because HostGator also has a 45 days money back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied with their hosting, then you'll get the full refund if you request within 45 days of purchase. So without any doubt, go for their 36 months plan. Or if you have a low budget, then you can go for the 12 or 24 months plan. Now scroll down here, and create your HostGator account. And here fill out your billing info. Scroll down, and make sure to uncheck these options as well. This is not important if you're a beginner, so save more money by unchecking them. Now scroll down, so if you visit from the description link, then here you can see the 70% discount coupon is already applied. Now scroll down, and here you can see the total price for the 36 months plan is only $95.95. That is a great and cheap price for beginners. Now finally scroll down, check this box and click on the Checkout Now button to complete the purchase. Then you will get the email with login details after purchasing. If you're looking for a cheap and best WordPress hosting, then this is the right time for you to purchase web hosting. Because HostGator is the great web hosting with too many great features. Their dashboard is great and easy to use for beginners. Their page load speed is average but okay with this low pricing. And with this 70% discount offer, HostGator is the right WordPress hosting choice for you. And also, if you're ready to make a HostGator purchase, then considering purchasing them from the link given in the description below this video to get a discount. If you still have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews and offers videos like this. Thanks for watching.